Here we come to the elevator at Energy Plaza in College Station, Texas. The vintage Dover. If you remember from James' video, this elevator had like some sort of door disease. But let's see how this thing is doing today. So let's ride, here we go. Good, we got no fan so we can hear the motor. 2. Check this out. It's got the metal bumper. We'll go for one more ride. I'm glad they fixed up the doors. Indicator is completely burned out. These are your classic Dover traditional fixtures. And we'll go back down to 1 and there. And here we are at 1. It's a nice lobby right there. There it goes, Ann. That's it.